There are 9 girls in our math class. If there are 12 students in the class, what percent are girls? Question. 9 is what percent of 12? What percent of 12 is 9? How much is 9 out of 12 written as a percent value? What is 9/12 as a percentage? A percent by itself represents just a fraction of a whole. A percent proportion is an equation where a percent is equal to an equivalent ratio. The percent proportion is part is to whole as percent is to 100. Remember that the word of means the whole and is the part, and also that the percent is the number with a percent sign percent. Question. 9 is what percent of 12? Steps. Write the proportion. Cross multiply. Solve the equation. X equals 75. Which means that 9/12 as a percentage is 75%. Double number lines consist of 2 single number lines with corresponding pairs of values lined up. Let's use double number lines to represent percentages. The following diagram shows how to use a double number line diagram to find equivalent ratios and solve word problems. We divide the distance between 0% and 100% and the distance between 0 and 12 students in 12 equal parts. We can see that 75% of 12 is 9. We can also use fraction strip models to represent percentages. For example, this model shows that 9 is 75% of 12. A fraction consists of 2 numbers and a fraction bar. In this example, the number above the bar is the numerator, 9. The number below the bar is the denominator, 12. We can simplify this fraction to lowest terms, dividing both the numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. 3/4 is an equivalent fraction, in lowest terms. To find its decimal value, divide the numerator by the denominator. 9/12 as a decimal is 0.75. Now we can see that our fraction is equivalent to 75/100ths, which means that 9/12 as a percentage is 75%.